By drinking this for a week straight, your cough and phlegm will completely go away without any signs left. Prepare the ingredients. Wash a bunch of fresh mo leaves and leave them aside. Start by washing a fresh fruit and cutting it into pieces. Next, add the cleaned mo leaves to a blender with some fresh water and blend until smooth. Drink the strained juice immediately. Each day, have 1 glass in the morning or when your cough worsens, and you will feel relief. Combining mo leaves with fresh water is a remedy that helps reduce cough quickly, clear phlegm, and improve respiratory health. Don't forget to follow the channel for more recipes and health tips.